Have you ever noticed the profound stillness just before the dawn? It's a quiet that feels full of potential, a deep breath before the world awakens. This is the nature of silence. It isn't absence, but a presence. A space where energy gathers, where thoughts settle, and where preparation for what's to come unfolds unseen. We live in a world that celebrates noise, speed, and visible progress. So, when our own lives enter a quiet season, it can feel deeply unsettling, even like failure. The forward momentum seems to halt. The external validation fades. We're left in a space that feels uncertain. We question if we're falling behind. But in nature, the most vital work is often invisible. Think of a great tree in winter. On the surface, it appears dormant, lifeless. But beneath the ground, its roots are anchoring deeper, drawing nutrients from the soil, fortifying themselves for the growth that will burst forth in spring. Your quiet seasons are no different. It is in these periods of stillness that your own roots different. It is in these periods of stillness that your own roots of resilience, wisdom, and self-awareness deepen. Surface activity may decrease, but internal strength is being forged. This is a time for reflection, not for striving. A time to integrate lessons learned, to heal, and to simply be. It's in the quiet moments of journaling, walking in nature, or sitting with your own thoughts that you build a reservoir of inner peace and clarity. This hidden strength, cultivated in silence, is what will sustain you when the next season of growth and action arrives. It is the foundation upon which everything else is built. So, do not rush through these moments. Do not mistake stillness for stagnation. Respect the quiet parts of your journey as much as you celebrate the loud achievements. They are not empty pauses. They are sacred, formative periods of becoming. Trust the process. Allow the silence to do its work. The strength you are building now will carry you forward in ways you can't imagine.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.